YouTube, what's going on? June here from Ballistic Pythons, back with our first video of 2020. Got our first clutch on the ground. It's a puzzle clutch that we want to go over with you guys, and you don't want to miss the end. Stay tuned. We got a wicked unboxing from none other than Royal Canadian Reptiles. Alright guys, here we go. 2020 clutch number 1. Pairing was a pastel puzzle, 66% het pied, to a killer bee het red exanthic het puzzle. So starting with these guys. Got a nice female pastel het puzzle. This girl's already spoken for. We got a pair of really bright and really nice killer bee head puzzles. There's that. Now onto the puzzles. This girl, I was actually floored about. Het red exanthic, honestly, for me, didn't do a lot when didn't really think of ever working with it, but holy smokes, look what it does to puzzle. That line, the stripe, the sides, everything just works perfectly. Makes me more and more excited, actually really excited now to start working more with the het red exanthic gene. So for those that don't know what a het red is, it's actually not a recessive. It is a codom with a super form, and it's allelic to the cinnamons, black pastels, but this girl's honestly my favorite of the clutch, I'd say. Sorry, the other ones were getting away, so I put them away, but these are the other two puzzles in the clutch. These are the Buzz het red exanthics, or also known as the Bumblebee het red exanthic puzzle. So pastel, spider, het red puzzle. So this one's the male. Likely will become available once he's had a few meals. And this one, this smoke show here, is a female. I don't know, she just has, it's like a night and day difference between the two. I'm almost thinking that this one may be the super pastel het red exanthic spider puzzle. Could be the same in just genetic variants, but look at that, look how crazy that is. Just a quick little video of all three. So let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. Just figured I'd show these two off as well. These are two puzzles that we hatched out last year. So here's a pastel puzzle, possible het albino, and a super pastel puzzle. Very clean. I'm gonna get bit. They definitely are puzzles. They don't like to be touched, handled, but such a sweet gene. This girl we had available, but I don't know if I could do it. She's so badass. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get to this unboxing. So big shout out to Reptile Express. Always taking care of us, always arrive on time, never an issue. So like I said, this package came from Will Morose at Royal Canadian Reptiles. If you guys don't know who Will is, I don't know what planet you're living on. Can't say enough good things about him. Amazing collection, amazing guy. Big thanks. Super stoked. Right when I saw the snake posted, I knew right away I had to jump on it. Boom, heat pack, nice and warm. Look at that. Nice little care package. So cool. It's like a wood grain kind of thing. I'm sure you guys have seen these in other videos, but quality above all. Stickers. Oh, kind of a spoiler right there. Awesome. You're a great guy, but today I hate you. Alright. Oh, really? Alright, zip tie. Holy shiza. Alright, there she is. You guys haven't already seen the label in the care package. This girl, spot nose puzzle. Absolutely insane. Super excited, super happy. So much stuff to be done. Actually, here, this was my favorite part of the snake. Actually, right when she first hatched, if you look right at the top of her head. Oh, of course. Thanks. It's like a sitting French bulldog. Another cool part about these spot nose puzzles: mustache. Well, thanks so much, brother. Can't thank you enough. I know you hate me. I love you. And I got your back. Awesome. Alright, I'm gonna get her set up. Thank you all for tuning in. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. And let me know what you guys think of this girl and what you would put into the spot nose puzzle project. Amazing. Alright guys, take care.